Welcome to Earning Engine. In today's video, we'll share 10 effective ways to make money with AI, the latest invention in technology. Let's start. Number 1. AI consulting. AI consulting is a booming field that offers lucrative opportunities. As an AI consultant, you can help businesses implement AI solutions, optimize processes, and maximize efficiency. Number 2. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers build and deploy machine learning models. With the increasing demand for AI applications, this field offers great potential for those with the necessary skills. Number 3. Data scientist. Data scientists extract insights and patterns from data using AI algorithms. They play a crucial role in various industries, from finance to healthcare, making it an in-demand profession. Number 4. Virtual reality, augmented reality developer. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are transforming industries like gaming, healthcare, and education. Developers who specialize in VR and AR can create immersive experiences and earn a significant income. Number 5. Robotics engineer. Robotics engineers design, develop, and maintain robots with AI capabilities. They work in various sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, and automation. Number 6. Algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading uses AI algorithms to automate trading decisions. Traders who can build effective AI trading systems can generate substantial profits. Number 7. Voice app development. Voice app development involves creating applications that utilize voice recognition and natural language processing. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, this field presents exciting opportunities. Number 8. Autonomous vehicles. The development of self-driving cars and autonomous vehicles is rapidly advancing. Experts in this field can contribute to the design, testing, and implementation of AI-driven transportation solutions. Number 9. AI-driven collaboration tools. AI-driven collaboration tools enhance teamwork and productivity. Developing and selling AI-powered tools that improve communication and project management can be a profitable venture. Number 10. AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care. Professionals who bridge the gap between AI and healthcare can create innovative solutions and generate income. From AI consulting to healthcare innovation, these 10 ways provide a glimpse into the vast opportunities AI offers. With the right skills and passion, you can leverage AI to make a significant impact while building a successful career.